Hey, what is going on, guys? It's just Game Beast here, and today we are going to be opening packs and the new baskets. So I think we're going to start with the packs. So let's open this one and see what we can get on this one. Wow, it's taking a long time. Alright, so let's see what we can get on this one. Rodney Hood, the slogan, a gold playoff recording, and another slogan. So that was pretty bad. Alright. So now let's go now. Why does it still have this? There you go. Playoffs. And open each. 2 of each. That's all I'm doing. We get Joe Johnson. Another East. Get Robin Lopez. Okay. Once again. And I'm sorry if I'm talking low, it's because everyone's asleep right now. And I'm trying to be as quiet as possible. It's gonna be the last playoff pack, probably. We get Bogdanovich. So now let's go to the baskets, but first let's open one of these to see if we can get a basket from today. I saved it for this pack opening. So, we get shoes. Hopefully we don't get, we at least get like an exquisite basket. Oh, it's a large gift basket. Paintbrush. A headband. Shoes. Bronze player. Shoes. JaVale McGee. Oh, let's go. We got the exquisite from the 13th, so that's pretty good. Now let's go see the baskets. Oh my god, I accidentally clicked on store. I'll be right back, because it takes a long time to load. Okay, I'm back, and I really haven't seen anything about the baskets today. So I'm about to see what there are. This one, I totally forgot what it was. So let's open it. Please be something good. Oh! It's the Series 4, okay. That's not bad. So, I just made up for the 150k pack I just opened. So that's nice. So now let's just open these. If these are bad, I'll just go to the next one, but if they're good, I'll keep doing them. Oh, there. I guess today's all about the playoffs. Okay. Kent Bazemore. So I think we can do some of the sets after this. And if we can't, we'll open more packs. Patrick, do I have one for these? I have 3 of these. Alright. Oh, it's the storylines. That's just like the new Premier and Pro Pack thing. because the premium pro pack are ending in like a week. I don't know why, if they were fine, but I guess the next ones are better. So let's go over here. And this is one of the large gift baskets. Hopefully it gets good. I mean, I don't know if that's good. I mean, I didn't spend anything because I got it out of the sets. But our last basket is going to be the Wanderers basket. So, I hope it's something good. Please be something good. Oh my god. Alright, it is something good. 92 Draymond. Wow. Okay, so that was worth it. So, I'll be right back. I'm going to figure out the sets, and then I'll see what I can open once I come back. So, we're about to do this, and then the pack opening is going to end. So, let's see what we can get. 88 CJ McCollum. Alright. That's a good pull. So, thank you guys for watching. Overall, it was a really good pack opening, especially that signature 4 certificate and all the good elites. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe, and yeah, peace.